Hi.
Hi, I am Dr. Veda Prakash. Is knee replacement painful and what is the recovery time following knee replacement surgery? This is a very common question the patients ask these days, and there is a misconception that the knee replacement is very painful and also that the patients take very long time to recover following a knee replacement surgery. To certain extent, the knee replacement surgery is a painful surgery, but with the advent of modern techniques of pain relief, now the pain following a knee replacement surgery has become very tolerable. Majority of patients start walking on the day of surgery or the day after surgery, and most of the patients can do stair climbing within a day or two and can attend to the toilet with minimal help in a day or two after surgery. There are many methods to control pain following knee replacement surgery, including giving high dose powerful painkillers through the vein and also by giving continuous analgesia through epidural catheters. So these modalities have significantly reduced the pain following knee replacement surgery. And the second aspect of knee replacement surgery is with regards to the recovery time following the surgery. Most patients can start walking without any walking aid after 4 to 6 weeks after surgery and can attend any outdoor activities after 6 weeks. Within 3 months after surgery, patients can do even long distance travel and can do most of their things independently without pain or discomfort. Thank you.